The world of Chevy muscle trucks has always been about more than just power. It's about speed. From the very beginning, these trucks have been designed not just to haul loads, but to race ahead of the competition. Chevy's fastest muscle trucks have captured the imagination of performance enthusiasts everywhere, pushing the boundaries of what a truck can achieve. But what makes these trucks truly special? In this video, we're diving into the engineering marvels that have made some of these muscle trucks the fastest ever built. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind their insane speed, the powerful V8 engines, and the innovations that allowed them to dominate both the streets and racetracks. Whether you're a lifelong fan of Chevy or just a performance enthusiast, this video will take you on a thrilling ride through the world of speed and the competition that's still heating up. Stay tuned. What you're about to learn will blow your mind. Chevrolet's journey into the world of muscle trucks began in the mid-20th century, when American automotive culture was shifting. At the time, trucks were seen as utilitarian vehicles, tools for labor rather than symbols of speed. But Chevy saw an opportunity to break the mold. The Chevy C10, introduced in 1960, became the first real glimpse into Chevy's muscle truck future. With a powerful V8 engine and bold design, it was clear that Chevy wasn't just making trucks for the farm anymore. They were creating vehicles for enthusiasts who wanted performance on demand. As the muscle car era took off, Chevy was quick to recognize the demand for high-performance trucks. By the late 1960s, Chevy began pairing its sturdy truck bodies with engines that could rival the power of sports cars, creating a new category of performance trucks. This evolution laid the foundation for what would eventually become the Chevy muscle truck legacy. With the introduction of the Silverado SS in the early 2000s and the Chevy 454 SS in the 90s, Chevy solidified its place in muscle truck history. These models weren't just about hauling, they were about speed, style, and unmatched power, setting the stage for the fast trucks we admire today. Chevy had officially entered the world of high performance, and the muscle truck revolution was just getting started. As the demand for muscle cars soared in the 1960s, Chevy quickly realized that performance wasn't just for sports cars, it was for trucks too. The introduction of the Chevy C10 in 1960 marked the beginning of a new era. But it wasn't until the late 60s and early 70s that Chevy truly began pushing the limits of speed in its trucks. The company took inspiration from its muscle car lineup, particularly the Chevy Camaro and Chevelle, and began engineering trucks that could not only handle tough jobs, but also perform exceptionally well on the road and in races. By the mid-1970s, Chevy trucks like the Chevy 454 SS and Chevy Silverado began incorporating larger, more powerful V8 engines. These trucks weren't just built for strength, they were built for speed. The 454 SS debuted in 1990 with a 7.4-litre V8 engine, producing 230 horsepower and a whopping 385 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the fastest trucks on the market at the time. The Silverado SS, released in the early 2000s, was another milestone in Chevy's push for speed, packing a supercharged 6.0-litre V8 engine that could achieve speeds and performance levels never before seen in a truck. These vehicles were more than just utility. They were designed to compete with the best of the best in the high-performance world. Chevy had finally taken the world of muscle trucks into the realm of unrivaled speed, establishing a legacy that would continue to inspire enthusiasts for generations to come. Over the years, Chevy has produced some of the most iconic muscle trucks to ever hit the roads, and many of them were built with speed in mind. Among the standout models, the Chevy C10 is a legend in its own right. With a powerful V8 engine under the hood, it wasn't just a truck for work, it was a truck that could keep up with the fastest cars on the street. The 1967 Chevy C10, equipped with the 327 V8, could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, setting the tone for future Chevy muscle trucks. Then came the Chevy 454 SS, which became an instant classic in 1990. This truck took the muscle truck world by storm, equipped with a massive 7.4-litre V8 engine capable of producing 230 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque. The 454 SS wasn't just fast for its time, it redefined what a muscle truck could be. With powerful acceleration, impressive handling, and a bold design, it became the go-to choice for speed enthusiasts who needed both performance and practicality. Next in line was the Chevy Silverado SS, released in 2003. With a 6.0-litre V8 engine pushing 345 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque, it became one of the fastest trucks Chevy had ever built. This truck blended high-performance speed with the durability of the Silverado line, making it a favorite among those who loved speed but didn't want to sacrifice everyday usability. These trucks proved that Chevy was serious about delivering muscle trucks that could dominate both the street and the racetrack. At the heart of every fast Chevy muscle truck lies one of the most iconic engine families in automotive history, the Chevy V8. Known for their unmatched power and performance, the V8 engines have been the driving force behind Chevy's muscle trucks, propelling them to speeds that were once unimaginable for a truck. From the early small block V8s to the legendary big block engines, these powerhouses have become synonymous with speed, torque, and reliability. The 454 big block V8, introduced in the 1970s, was a game changer. With 7.4 litres of displacement, it produced 365 horsepower and 500 pound-feet of torque, making it a force to be reckoned with in both street racing and truck performance. This engine gave Chevy muscle trucks like the 454 SS their signature speed and handling capabilities, allowing them to accelerate and perform with the best of sports cars. As time went on, Chevy's V8 engines continued to evolve. The LS series V8 engines, introduced in the late 90s, represented a major leap forward in performance. The LS1, found in the Chevy Silverado SS, offered 345 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful and efficient engines Chevy had ever built for a truck. These engines brought a new level of sophistication to Chevy muscle trucks, combining power with fuel efficiency and reliability. The V8 engine is more than just a part of Chevy's muscle truck legacy. It's the very essence of what makes these trucks so fast. Without these power-packed engines, the Chevy muscle truck would never have achieved the legendary speed and performance it's known for today. The evolution of Chevy muscle trucks wasn't just about more powerful engines. It also involved groundbreaking performance innovations that elevated these trucks to new heights. Chevy's commitment to speed went beyond the engine room, with advancements in suspension systems, braking technology, and aerodynamics all playing crucial roles in the truck's impressive performance. One of the key innovations in Chevy muscle trucks was the development of sport-tuned suspensions, which allowed for better handling and stability at high speeds. These suspensions were specially designed to handle the extra power generated by the V8 engines, while ensuring the truck remained agile on both the street and the track. Alongside the suspension, braking systems were also upgraded to match the performance capabilities. Chevy muscle trucks were equipped with heavy-duty disc brakes, offering superior stopping power to complement their speed. Finally, aerodynamic improvements were made to reduce drag, helping the trucks cut through the air more efficiently. Features like lowered suspensions, streamlined designs, and improved grille shapes helped reduce wind resistance, allowing the trucks to achieve higher top speeds without compromising stability. These innovations didn't just enhance speed, they also ensured that Chevy muscle trucks could handle their newfound power, making them some of the most well-rounded performance vehicles on the road. When it comes to the fastest Chevy muscle trucks, the Chevy Silverado SS stands at the pinnacle of performance. Released in the early 2000s, This truck represented the culmination of Chevy's years of innovation in performance truck engineering. Equipped with a supercharged 6.0-liter V8 engine, the Silverado SS was not just a truck, it was a powerhouse built for speed. With 345 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque, the Silverado SS could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest trucks on the market at the time. Its top speed surpassed many of its competitors thanks to a combination of its supercharged engine, sport-tuned suspension, and high-performance tires. This truck wasn't just about raw power, it was built to handle that power with precision and control. The Silverado SS also stood out for its advanced drivetrain, which featured an all-wheel drive system, giving it unmatched traction and stability. Whether racing down a straight track or tackling a winding mountain road, the Silverado SS could handle it all with ease. The sleek, aggressive design further highlighted its performance capabilities, making it a true standout in the muscle truck market. As a performance truck, the Silverado SS became an icon in the early 2000s. It set the bar for what a muscle truck could be, combining speed, style, and engineering excellence in one legendary package. Chevy muscle trucks have never been shy about showing off their performance on the racetrack. From drag races to off-road events, Chevy's trucks have consistently proven their speed and endurance in some of the most challenging racing environments. While muscle cars like the Chevy Camaro and Chevelle made their mark in motorsports, the Chevy C10 and later the Chevy Silverado SS would bring their high-performance power to the racing world in ways that redefined expectations. The Chevy Silverado SS, for example, was not just a street beast. It was designed for both high-speed racing and off-road competition. Its powerful 6.0-liter V8 engine, combined with a robust suspension and handling system, made it a force to be reckoned with on the drag strip. In various NASCAR and truck racing events, the Silverado SS proved that it wasn't just about raw horsepower. It was about precision, control, and strategy. The Chevy C10 also made a name for itself in racing, particularly in the off-road racing scene. With a custom-tuned suspension and high-performance tires, the C10 was an underdog that earned respect on rugged terrains. Its success in various races showcased how Chevy trucks could deliver competitive speed in more than just street racing. Chevy's commitment to speed and performance in the racing world helped solidify the muscle truck as a legitimate racing contender, proving that these trucks weren't just about looks, they were about winning races and setting records. The legacy of Chevy's fast muscle trucks continues to influence the automotive world today. These trucks were more than just vehicles. They became symbols of American performance, speed, and engineering excellence. From the Chevy C10 to the Chevy Silverado SS, each model added to the rich history of Chevy muscle trucks that still resonates with enthusiasts and collectors around the world. Even as modern trucks have evolved, the spirit of speed and power that defined these early muscle trucks is still present. Today's Chevy Silverado and Colorado ZR2 carry the torch, incorporating high-performance engines and cutting-edge technology while honoring the legacy of their predecessors. The V8 engine continues to be a staple, with each new iteration improving on the performance that made Chevy muscle trucks iconic. Beyond the road, these trucks have shaped muscle car culture, influencing everything from racing to popular media. Their legacy is seen in the way we talk about power, speed, and performance in the world of trucks. Chevy's focus on innovation and pushing the boundaries of truck performance has left a permanent mark, making their muscle trucks not just a piece of history, but an enduring influence on the industry. The legacy of Chevy's fast muscle trucks is undeniable, continuing to inspire new generations of truck enthusiasts. In conclusion, Chevy's muscle trucks have redefined the limits of performance and speed, blending raw power power with engineering brilliance. From the iconic Chevy C10 to the Chevy Silverado SS, these trucks were not just about transporting cargo. They were about dominating the road and racetrack. The legacy they've left behind is a testament to Chevy's commitment to innovation and performance, inspiring both enthusiasts and competitors alike. As we've seen, Chevy muscle trucks are more than just machines. They are a symbol of speed, power, and American ingenuity. Whether on the streets or the track, they've proven time and time again that when it comes to muscle trucks, Chevy leads the way. If you've enjoyed learning about these incredible machines, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the world of muscle trucks. Tell us, what's your favorite Chevy muscle truck and why? Join the conversation below.